Okay. Say hi, Maxie. Say hello. Toy review with Maxie. Toy number 1. All right, Max. Oh, you like that toy. Toy number 1. Oh. Hey, Shad. Hey, Shad. You lost your toy. Toy number 2. Jungle Friends. Bookie. What do you rate this, Max, on a scale of 1 to 10? Oh. I don't think he likes that toy. You don't like this toy? No. How about this book? Hello Farm. That book's better than the other book, huh, buddy? And scale of 1 to 10? 6. He says 6. Toy number 3. Woohoo! Mickey! Here's Mickey Mouse! Here's Mickey Mouse! What do you think? You love Mickey, huh, Maxie? Woo! Okay, last toy. The letter Z. A red letter Z. Oh. Here you go. Which one's your favorite, buddy? I think he's raising it up. We have a clear winner. The letter Z wins. 6-month toy review. The letter Z is the champion. Bye. There you have it. That's Maxie's toy review. Bye-bye. Maxie, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.